Hello everyone, welcome to Document360 tutorial video. Today I will show you how to customize your knowledge base with Document360 so that you can style it and add your brand logos and colors as well as your brand assets within your knowledge base. Now if you don't know, Document360 is the knowledge base platform. It's engineered for growing companies. You can instantly create an online self-service knowledge base for your customer and employees. And it can be either publicly accessed or privately. Now today in this video, I will show you how to customize your knowledge base. So to do that, right here, as you can see, we are on the Document360 dashboard. Right here, we have actually documentation. And what we need to do is we need to go to settings right here. Now, once we access the settings right here, as you can see, we have design, navigations, custom pages, custom domain, and a lot of different things. So what we need to focus on is the design right here. As you can see here, you can change your favicon. So if we click on the favicon, we can upload the favicon URL. Or upload an image instantly, and this will change our favicon URL right here. This is great if you want to keep everything within the brand colors. And also what you can do is you can change the layout. Do you want a fluid layout, medium, small, or center layout? This is also right here how it's going to look like. It's a representation of how it's going to look like. Here, as you can see, you can also change your logo. So your logo is right here. This is right here, and you can actually go and replace your logo with a text if you want. So you can maybe put, for example, Furo Digital. This is one of our companies. And we can also have a custom logo URL right here, which will lead to our official website, which is great. So obviously, if you want your logo here, you can click on your logo, and you can also upload an image if you already have an image for your logo. So let's do that, and let me just show you how you can do that. So as you can see here, we can go and we can, for example, click on the logo. We can insert the logo, and right here we have a logo. We can also click here if you want to change the logo, as I said before. And obviously favicon also the same. We can upload an image right here, and we'll use the Document360 icon. So let's just insert that, and this is how clean it looks. So this is basically a part of customizing your knowledge base site. Now, obviously, you have primary and secondary colors, so you can change this however you want, as you can see right here. So let's say we want to change it to, this blue. We can copy this code, and we can also put it in the secondary as well, because we want secondary color to be as well blue. Hyperlink color, as you can see, this is the hyperlink. We can change this to, for example, red if we want. Hover, it can be, hover, we can basically change it to green. And then visited, we have visited as well. We can change this to maybe, red as well. And this is basically how you can, in a nutshell, customize everything, right? So also you have font family. You can change the font on the entire site. For example, Helvetica, Arial, which is the most popular one, Montserrat, which is really great and clean font. I would recommend this if you want to go and if you want to change it. This is the great font to have. Then heading font. Heading font can be, again, Nunito maybe. This is the heading font as well. So you can change that as well right here. Now, not just that. So this is basically how you can change the design. But not just that, you can actually change a lot of different things right here. You can change the navigations. So as you can see, I have unsafe changes. If you leave this page, you will lose any changes that you made. Are you sure you want to leave this page? No, we actually want to save this. So let's just save this here. And as you can see, once that is completely saved, we can go to navigations. In navigations, we can also change the navigations. For example, custom URL, features. We have this right here. We can enable this, right? And this is basically if you want to toggle on or off to open this link in a new tab. And basically, this is just in a nutshell how you can go and customize your knowledge base site. You also have custom pages here as well, which is great. So you have custom page, for example, if you want a 404 page, you can have that page. You can change the theme of that page. You can add the button, documentations, as well as home. For example, if you want to maybe remove the link, we can just put home here. And we can rename this to home. And then once someone clicks on home, it will lead them to home page. Now there is also access denied as well page. So let's just click yes here. There's also access denied page, stuff like that that you can change, unauthorized page as well, login page, IP restriction page. So you can change these pages just like this right here, as you can see. Now, if you want to have a custom style, you can also customize the page design and elements with your own HTML and CSS. This is if you know, coding. This will be great if you want to know how to customize your page with, custom style with HTML and CSS. You can also hit preview here. And as you can see, this is how your page is going to look like. So this is just one of many ways how you can customize your knowledge base in Document360. You can also have custom domain if you didn't know. So let's just hit yes here, and as you can see, you can enter your custom domain, and then you can go through the entire process of connecting your domain as well. But in a nutshell, this is how you can go and customize your knowledge base site in a really creative way and in your brand colors. Now, if you want to know more, definitely click the first link in the description. It's going to be a Document360 link where you can join this platform for absolutely free, and you'll get a free trial. So they also have a mid-year sale, so you can get up to 45% off. And this is offer that is valid between 5th of June 2023 to 30th of June 2023. So for more information, you can click the link down below as well. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next Document360 tutorial video.